triple nickel, look at that right there. 88 around Maryland, got down.
About at 88 in Maryland. Well, you kind of came in there in the pickup truck in Colorado Springs. 88 Maryland, 808 in the Rockies. Rough and tough, negative contact, 88.
Roll, rock and roll. All right, there, triple nickel. Hey, triple nickel, I thought I'd get up in here and clean your contact and receive. Triple nickel, 88 around Maryland, got down.
All right, 88, I guess I'm not cleaning out your receive. Negative contact, 88, 808 in the Rockies.
Hello, 808. Hello, 808. 88 over here around Maryland. Hello, 808. 88 around Maryland, got down.
Yeah, just like that, 88, man. You got some good conditions up here in Colorado Springs. You know, I got some conditions in the Mobile there. If I can get it to you. I'll see you 88 in Maryland. Good sounding station. 88, 808 in the pickup truck.
How about it? 808, you said I got some kind of conditions up there? 808, I appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, I got this kind of figure pointed out west, and I guess, it's easing on over there towards the daggone Colorado. 808. 88 around Maryland with these smooth sounds. Got down.
All right, I got one of those diagonal lobes there going off to the side. You sounded good in the Rockies. We're going to get back to the Sugar Shack. I just wanted to say, hey, we fired up the Mobile. I'll see you 88, 808, 107 after you. Aloha. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, that Mobile sounds real good coming up in here. I just stepped back into the radio room and thought I'd see if I couldn't get down in the world of sound. 808, 88 around Maryland, got down. All right.